Good morning, everybody. It's about 7:30. Another beautiful rainy day. But you know, you gotta do what you gotta do to keep the customer happy. So let's go off to another house wash. We'll talk to you in just a little while. Hey there, we're back. It just finished raining and we're going to do this nice ranch style home. Gotta watch out for things like that air conditioner. He took his potted plants off of the things. He's already buttoned up all the windows. Of course up here, you know, you see some tiger striping. House is in pretty good shape. It's got a lot of road grime up on the top couple parts of the siding up here. It's a pretty large house. We are not doing the garage. Try to get those wasp nests down from way up there if we can. Those are pretty bad. It's got a bunch of plant life, but it's been raining here all night, pretty much in the morning, and I don't think we're going to have to worry too much about that. Some windowsills, I asked if he wanted to hand clean those. He said no. I always point things out to customers, make sure that their expectations are, you know, exactly that we're on the same page. One of his biggest concerns, I don't know if you can see up here, is this soffit up here, all these marks. Now I did tell him, you know, most of this is going to come off, but if we have to wind up really hand scrubbing it, it would be extra. But I think we're going to get most of that off. So obviously, you know, we're here in the garden. We need to be careful of all these plants. Everything is watered down, but we'll put a tarp over a couple of the more exotic plants just to be double safe. He's already moved most of the furniture for me, which was really nice, out of the way. And of course, once again, the rain doesn't hurt, but you can see up there, there's some little bit of damage if you look up here already. So I did a pre-inspection with the owner already, and we pointed some of that stuff out. So he's well aware that we're not causing that, but we'll come back to that after we clean and see if we've got all that mold off for him. Let's go around here to the north side of the home. We're heading right to the north corner. You can now start seeing the mold is starting to pick up. We're not actually at the north side yet, but this is the northeast corner. And I'm sorry about that. The camera died, so we're here on the northeast corner of the house. You can see that it's getting a little worse up there. Hopefully you can see that. And it's kind of getting dark out here. Lots of rain again. It just was raining. So you don't like that, but we'll come over here to the north corner. And when we get done, hopefully you'll notice a whole difference in that soffit up there, if you can even see that with it being dark. But you can see now the north side of the house, it's really built up. So all that'll be cleaned off. Oh, looky, the slugs are out today. You see him? There he is. Yeah, they're not going to like that SH when I get done with them. Poor little boogers. Alrighty, let's get this job going. It's pretty bad up there. Wish I could zoom in with the phone, but I can't. It took quite a while to get all the hoses stretched out. We wanted to make sure we didn't run any of the plants over and get them around the gutters without doing any damage to the downspouts. So they all get laid out. You just don't drag them around. But down there at the far end, that's the north end, and it's raining like crazy. So let's get started. Okay, before we go to the back to show you how it's doing, I'm getting ready to do this south wall. I've been trying to knock that hornet's nest down now for quite a while. It's not coming down, but I just wet the wall down. I also did some extra watering on these plants. I don't know what this stuff is here, but it's all over the plants. So I just want to make sure that I don't add to it. A lot of holes and stuff being eaten in these plants. I don't know what's killing those. At the back here, let's go out here. You see these eaves. I don't know how good you'll see these. They came out really good. Let's go over to the other end of this house so we can look at the bad parts I showed you before. Okay, here's you can see the eaves came out real good. I actually used a brush on those gutters and the eaves a little bit to knock some of that stuff off. I told him it was going to be an extra $100, but I probably won't even charge him to hand wash all this. It went relatively quickly. It was just in these grooves. It was hard to get out, but all this stuff came out. That's some paint or something right there. I don't know what that is, but it's not coming off. Of course, all the light fixtures, I had bags on them. So let's go to this end over here. And we're down in this corner, which I had a real hard time reaching because I can't get up there. That's the balcony to the bedroom, but you can see the eaves came out pretty good. This came out good where it started to mold real bad before I get to that north wall. So overall, it came out nice. Here's the shed. I just sprayed that a couple times and watered it down a couple times. It's not perfect, but I got it pretty much clean and most of it killed. If I have any left over, I'll hit it one more time, but it looks a whole lot better than it did. That's the area right up there that I pointed out before that was really bad and damaged, but it was really nasty, and all that stuff came out pretty clean. So that's nice. And the extra spray water these decks down. They've got paint on them that are peeling, and I didn't want to get anything up on there, so luckily it was raining today, so they're very soaked. Plus I extra rinsed them just to make sure, you know, that I don't get involved with any of that flaky paint. All right, it's time to do the walk around. You can see the gutters came out really nice. The soffit's good. All that grime that was up on the top couple of the panels look good. I had to do it by hand around his air conditioner there. Everything is drying off. I'm waiting for him to come out. I don't know if he left or if he's still here. All those gutters came out really nice. This is the north side. This was the worst. You can see all that soffit came out really nice, especially those bad spots up there. And all this down here came out real good. No drippers so far. I don't see any spots I missed yet, but it's still drying, so I still got to walk around one more time after it's dry. I usually like to take them around. Oops, I left one of the bags up there still. Take that down. That was a dirty spot in those gutters. Pointed those out before. Guess they had some hardware or something on there. It's all off. Okay guys, you get the basic idea. It looks pretty good. So let's try to find this guy and make sure he's happy and get paid and go home. Hey everybody, thank you so much for watching my videos. I really hope you enjoyed them. If you have a comment or a question, leave it in the comments section below. I'll be glad to answer it as soon as I can, or maybe one of my subs will. But remember, please hit that subscribe button that's going to pop up, and YouTube is going to put more videos for you to watch over here. So enjoy yourself, grab the popcorn, and just remember, we really appreciate you being part of our family and subscribing to our channel. All the support you give us has been wonderful. So have a great day, and we'll see you on the next video.